Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to use the monitoring page on the Energy platform. Here you can see all the chargers installed on your account. This can be one site or multiple sites or circuits. You have two view choices, list or grid. Let's go to list view. List view shows all your chargers in an easy to view table. Let's go back to grid. The grid view gives you a quick visualization of the status of each individual charger. The charger here is showing you exactly what the status LEDs are showing on the charger. You can see we have latte charging and ice long black is paused or waiting for authentication. Up at the top, we have some handy quick stats on uptime and a search bar. Here we can search for an individual charger by serial number, location, or name. We can also filter the chargers by status. The drop down has the common charger status, like charging or available. This is really helpful if you have a large number of chargers installed. We are able to go into each individual charger to see more detail. If you click the charger, we come to the individual chargers monitoring page. Here we see key stats on the charger: uptime, energy delivered, individual charge sessions. You can download the data to a CSV file if you need to use the data in another program. From the button here, we are able to start, stop, or pause a charger with the button here. If we jump over here, we can add one or multiple schedules to the charger. There is a video that shows you in detail how to use schedules. If you have a schedule, you will see a green icon on the schedule button. We can click messages. It shows us the charger's latest OCPP messages. If read, you may need support or reset the charger. If we go into settings, we are able to change the name of the charger. Change current limit. This is different to the current limit the installer has commissioned the charger. Here you can only change it to the maximum the installer has commissioned it to. If the electrician has commissioned the charger at 32 amps, you are able to change the max charge limit to anything between 0 to 32 amps. If the electrician has commissioned at 20 amps, the maximum you can change up to is 20 amps. The max limit that it was commissioned can only be changed if the unit is uninstalled and recommissioned by an electrician. You can restart the charger remotely from here. You can also uninstall the charger here. This will remove it from your account. If we go here, we can see the information on what each individual status light means. If we jump over to users, we can see a list of accounts and hierarchy. We can add more users here. If you ever need to turn all the chargers off quickly, we can do this here in the Site Settings tab. We are next to a stadium. I use this button to turn the chargers off on the weekend. If you are wondering why Coretto looks different, it's because it's an R&D charger that we will be launching in the future and hasn't had its final look finalized. Also, the Energy platform is charger agnostic, and we are able to integrate any other OCPP charger onto the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.